Hey guys, Bruce T here and welcome to the video. Today's the day we're going to give away the GoPro Hero 7 Black away to one of you, my subscribers. I had a lot of fun doing this giveaway and a lot of you sent me a personalized message including information about, your motorcycle or what you've done to it, and that really humbled me, and I really do appreciate getting the positive comments and the sincere emails of appreciation. So this is my way of giving back to you guys for thanking you for watching my channel and subscribing. I hope it continues in the future, and I will be doing more giveaways as the time comes. So in the comments below, tell me what you'd like to see me give away in the future. So the winner of this contest is going to get the GoPro Hero 7 Black. You're going to get the 128GB SanDisk memory card. You're going to get the RAM Tough Claw, which allows this to mount to any type of railing on your motorcycle to allow you to put this camera in many spots. This is mainly what I use for my videos, and it works wonderful, and I can put it in so many different spots. So this is really a great thing to have to go with this camera. The other thing you're going to get is this RAM 3-inch extensions, and you can buy more in the future if you want a longer extension or a shorter one. These things are really versatile, and they're great to have. And the last thing you're going to get is this RAM adapter for the GoPro. You can mount the GoPro to this, to mount it to that, to mount it to this, and so you can put it anywhere on your bike. The GoPro also comes with the adhesive plates inside, so you can mount the camera to that as well. Okay, the way the giveaway is going to work is I have this Admit 1 coupons, and they start at number 1. I'm going to cut them off at 133, which is the number of valid entries that I had, and I'm going to mix them all up, and then we're going to put them in this jar. I'll give it a shake, and then I'll pick a winner. So without further ado, let's sort these out and get them spread out, and then we'll do the giveaway. Alright, first thing I gotta do is find number 133. Getting close. So here it is, number 133. And I'm going to go to the other end here. And that is number 1. Alright, so I'm going to mix these up on the table, and then we're going to put them in the jar and pick a winner. Alright, we're getting towards the end here. And that's all the tickets, finally. Alright, so I got all the tickets assorted on the table, and now I'm going to put them in the jar. I'm going to give it a shake, and I'm going to pull out a winner. Alright, so let's seal this up. I'm going to give it a good shake and rattle and roll. Try to get the numbers all mixed up so they're not all grouped together. That's why I did the separate piles. Just to kind of separate them and try to give it as much as randomness as I can. Alright, so I have it all shooken up. And next step, so I'm going to pick a winner. So the winner of the GoPro Hero 7 Black is number, I'll let the camera see it first, and number is Number 12. So number 12, you are the winner of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And I can see here that the name is Gerald Gravo. So congratulations, Gerald Gravo. You are the winner of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm going to be sending you an email and telling you that you're the winner, and I'll get your information so I can send this stuff to you. So thank you everybody for participating in the contest. I really had a lot of fun doing this, and I'll be doing more giveaways in the future. So thank you for watching. Leave me a comment below what you'd like to see me give away next, and I'll see you guys next video. Thank you.